Today, I'm going to review 2 things from Roka Mamas you asked me a long time ago and eventually I got it. Firstly is the jalapeno chili bombs. Look at that. That looks delicious. Jalapeno cheese bombs, I mean. Let's taste it. It comes with a hot sauce. That's really good. But it's extremely good. And then also the chili bomb burger. Just look at that. Got a chili bomb on there, some chilies and hot sauce as well. So let's try it. Quality. The jalapeno bones, I rate a 8.4, and the burger, it gets extremely nice. I rate this 8.2. Thank you guys, till next time. See you all, love you.